Hello, my name is Mike. Today I want to show you how easy it is to build a European style door hinge jig. The only things that you need are a few pieces of scrap wood. I found some hardwood that has the size of 6 inches to 3.5 inch and some plywood that has 4 inches to 1.25 inch. Typically the size of the hole that you need are 35 millimeters, so it would be useful if you have a Forstner bit at that size. The first thing that we have to do is to mark where we're going to drill the hole. On the second board we're going to select where we're going to drill the holes to mark the side walls of the cabinets. First I'm going to drill the hole with the Forstner bit. After that I'm going to take the hinge and place it into the hole and mark the other 2 holes. Now I just have to place the hinge into the hole. Check that it's straight in there. Mark out the small holes, on each side 1, and go back to the drill press. So the jigs are almost done. We just have to installate the guards with 2 screws and then they're ready to use. For demonstration I'm just going to use a piece of scrap wood with my new jig. I place the jig over that wood, press it to the guard, clamp it down, then I have a drill with my Forstner bit on it, and I just taped the sign on how deep it has to go. Now I take the small drill with 5 millimeters because I'm going to installate the screws that came with the hinge, and they don't have a sharp edge on it. Now we should have a perfectly fitted hole for our hinge. Now you just would have to screw it on and it will be finished. The jig with the fastener bit is very universal, but the second one for the back plate of the hinges, you have to read your instructions because it depends on which type of hinge you bought, how far back you have to drill that holes. So I hope that this film was useful for you. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. It would be nice if you would leave me a comment, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.